Hello friends, welcome to the world of the physics. Chapter number 2, Unit and Measurement. In them, application of dimensional analysis. Till now we have studied the two applications. First one, conversion from one system to another system. MKS to CGS. If we convert MK system to the CGS system. Second one, check the validity, consistency. And third one, deducing relation among the physical quantity, means conversion from one physical quantity to another physical quantity. How can we convert the one physical quantity to another physical quantity? Let me see. Example given in our NCERT textbook, example number 2.17. Consider a simple pendulum having a bob attached to a string that oscillates under the action of the force of gravity. Suppose the period of oscillation of the simple pendulum depends on its length, mass of the bob m, and acceleration due to gravity is g. Derive the expression for its time period using method of dimensions, means convert one physical quantity to another physical quantity. Here, periodic time of the simple pendulum is depends on periodic time of simple pendulum depends on means simple pendulum, periodic time of simple pendulum depends on periodic time, that is capital T is depends on, means proportional to mass m, length L, and acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity means gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, small g, represented by small g. Means T is proportional to mass, T is proportional to length, T is proportional to gravity. Periodic time of simple pendulum depends on three quantities, that are mass, length, and acceleration due to gravity. Now we can write T is proportional to mass represented by m, length L, and acceleration due to gravity is g, which is depends on m, L, and g. Now mass m, here initially we don't know the power of these three physical quantities, m, L, and g. M raised to a, L raised to b, and g raised to c. T is proportional to m raised to a, L raised to b, g raised to c. Now we have to find the values of a, b, and c and substitute those values in this equation, say equation number 1. Now mass m, length L, and acceleration due to gravity is g. Periodic time T. Dimensional formula of periodic time T is m0, L0, T1. Same as dimensional formula of mass. Dimensional formula of mass is equal to m1, L0, T0. Dimensional formula of length length is equal to m0 l1 t0. And dimensional formula of acceleration due to gravity means dimensional formula of acceleration. Dimensional formula of acceleration, gravity g is equal to m0 l1 t minus 2. Now substitute that dimensional formulas in equation number 1. Instead of mass we can write m0 l0 t1. Instead of length we can write m1 l0 t0, and instead of g we can write instead of m we can write m1 l0 t0. Instead of l we can write m0 l1 t0. Instead of g we can write m0 l1 t minus 2, and instead of t we can write m0 l0 t1. Now from equation number 1, from equation 1, t is equal to, if we remove the proportionality sign, then k, proportionality constant k, t is equal to k, m is equal to m1 l0 t0, m1 l0 t0 power a. Length m0 l1 t0, m0 l1 t0 length power b. Acceleration due to gravity m0 l1 t minus 2 power c. Now periodic time t, dimensional formula m0 l0 t1. Therefore m0 l0 t1 is equal to k, m power 1 power a means m raised to a, l power 0 t power 0, m raised to 0, l raised to 1 into b t power 0, m raised to 0, l raised to c, t raised to minus 2c. Therefore m raised to 0, l raised to 0, t raised to 1 is equal to k. Now m power a, m power 0 means here m power a plus 0 into l power 0, l power b, l power 0, l power b, l power c means l power 0 plus b plus c. Now t and t power 0 plus t power 0 plus here minus 2c. Now compare power of right hand side and left hand side. Compare power m raised to 0, here m raised to 0, and here m raised to a plus 0 means we have to compare only power, means a plus 0 means m raised to a, m raised to plus 0 means m raised to a, means a plus 0 a plus 0 means a is equal to 0. right hand side m power a and left hand side m power 0 means a is equal to 0. Value of a is 0. Now compare power of L, left hand side and right hand side. Compare power of L, left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side L power 0 plus B plus C and left hand side L power 0 is equal to 0. Therefore B plus C is equal to 0. Now compare power of T, left hand side and right hand side. T 0 plus 0 minus 2C is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 minus 2C is equal to 1. Therefore C is equal to minus 1 by 2. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute that value in B plus C is equal to 0. B plus C is equal to 0. B plus C, but C is equal to minus 1 by 2. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore value of B is equal to 1 by 2. Value of A 0, value of B 1 by 2, value of C is equal to minus 1 by 2. In sometimes examiner only asks find the power of A, B and C, values of A, B and C. So here we have find the value of A, B and C. Now substitute that values A, B and C, all the values substitute in equation number 1. From equation 1, T is proportional to m power A. M power A means 0, m power 0. L power B, value of B is equal to 1 by 2. L power B is equal to 1 by 2. And G power C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore T is proportional to n power 0 is equal to 1. L power 1 by 2 means L by G. G power minus 1 by 2 means L by G, root of L by G. T is proportional to root of L by G. If we remove the proportionality sign, therefore T is equal to K. T is equal to K, root of L by G. In future we will find the values of proportionality constant K. K is equal to 2 pi. Therefore T is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. 2 pi, that is dimensionless. The dimensionless physical quantity, we cannot check the consistency of that physical quantity which have dimensionless. Here 2 pi is dimensionless. So conversion from one physical quantity to another physical quantity. In this way we can convert all the physical quantities into another physical quantity. Now second example related to the third application. Example, an object is falling. An object is falling freely under the gravitational force. Under the gravitational force. Its velocity traversing a distance h is v. If velocity v depends upon gravitational acceleration g and distance is proved with the help of dimensional analysis. That v is equal to k root of g, where k is a constant, always dimensionless. Now we have to prove the relation velocity v is equal to k root of g into h. Velocity v depends on acceleration due to gravity and distance h. Now here an object is falling freely. An object, if we consider a marker pen, the object, and falling freely in this way under the gravitational force, its velocity traversing a distance h is v. If v depends upon gravitational acceleration g and distance, here v depends on v. Solution: velocity v depends on v is proportional to velocity v depends on gravitational acceleration g and distance, the gravitational acceleration g and distance h. G. Initially, here we have to use third application of dimensional analysis. Third application of dimensional analysis tells us conversion from one physical quantity to another physical quantity. Here v is proportional to g into h. Means here initially we don't know the power of g and h, value of g and h. Now g power, so v is proportional to g into h, g power a and h power b. Now dimensional formula of velocity v is equal to, dimensional formula of velocity v is equal to m0 l1 t minus 1. Dimensional formula of acceleration due to gravity means gravitational force g is equal to dimensional formula of gravitation. G is equal to m0 L1 t minus 2, and dimensional formula of distance h, dimensional formula of distance h is equal to m0 L1 t0, because distance measured in length. Therefore m0 L1 t0. Now substitute value of v, g and h in equation number 1. Therefore v is proportional to g power a, h power b, g power a and h power b. If we remove the proportionality sign, then constant v is equal to k, g power a, h power b. Now dimensional formula of velocity m0 L1 t minus 1 is equal to constant k, that is dimensionless. Dimensional formula of gravitational force m0 L1 t minus 2 power b, and distance m0 L1 t0 power c. Now m0 L1 t minus 1 is equal to k m power 0, L power 1 into b, and L power b, t power minus 2b, m power 0, L power c, t power 0. Therefore m power 0, L power 1, t power minus 1 is equal to k m power 0, m power 0, L power b, L power c, L power b plus c, t power minus 2b, t power minus 2b, t power 0 plus 0. Now compare power of m, left hand side and right hand side. Therefore m power 0 means m power if here we can write g power b and h power c, g power b, h power c. Whatever we can write a, b, c up to z. Here we have to use b and c, that's why I can write here b and c. If I can use here a and c, then we can write here b and c, whatever. Now m power 0 and m power 0 means 0, L power 1 and L power b plus c means b plus c. Compare power of left hand side and right hand side of L means b plus c is equal to 1. Therefore equation 2. Next compare power t power minus 2b is equal to t power minus 1. Therefore 2b is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 2. Value of b is equal to 1 by 2 from equation number 2. B is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute value of b here. Therefore b is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 1. Therefore c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, value of C is equal to 1 by 2. Value of B is equal to 1 by 2. Value of C is equal to 1 by 2. Value of B and C substitute in equation number 1. Therefore, from equation 1, V is proportional to G power B is equal to 1 by 2 in H power C. C is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, V is equal to K. G power 1 by 2. H power 1 by 2 means G into H. Root of G into H. Conversion from one physical quantity to another physical quantity. V is depends on gravitational force and distance H. Value of K we will find in future. Okay friends, these are the applications of dimensional analysis. First one, second one and third application. In next video lecture we will see the more example related to the third application, because the third application is most important in exam point of view. In JEE and NEET examination, examiner asks you find the power of B and C. So you can find by the help of the one physical quantity to another physical quantity. Conversion from one physical quantity to another physical quantity. We can easily find the values of A, B and C. Thank you.